The practice of being polite. Read and enjoy. Life is chiefly of two kinds, human life and non-human life. Under non-human life come all varieties of living things such as plants, birds and animal beings. Human life belongs to human beings only. Such human life is specified with a great quality. Unless the quality is cultivated, one can't be considered a human being, though one has been endowed with all characteristics of human life. The quality is being polite. Being polite means behaving or speaking in a decent and humble manner. It is an opposite quality to being proud. Such polite nature is the first and foremost quality for an ideal human being. This great quality is at first put into practice at home. It means parents should take the responsibility of making their children be polite. They should take every step to observe whether their children are in a polite manner or not. If anything wrong is found, parents will have to mend it. Being polite, at first, appears in speaking. Our speaking needs to be in such a way that it should not hurt anyone. So we should take proper care of our language. While speaking, we should never use vulgar words under any conditions. There is a proverb in English. That is, win friends with your tongue. It means, you can win friends if you use your tongue in the right way. Here, tongue refers to the language used by you. Some people look angrily at others, even if it is not necessary. It is a wrong practice. Our look should be polite. It means, without rash feeling and reckless nature. Your look only, no need of a word, sometimes positively influences others in a polite way. This is noticed by us in the look of Acharya Vinoba Bhave. His appearance was so polite that even his opponents respected him very much. Some people did not follow Vinoba's ideals, but they never disliked him because of his polite behavior. We should be polite towards our parents, elders and teachers primarily. Then it will be possible for us to be polite towards our neighbors, our homeland and our leaders. If anyone is considered civil, the quality of being polite is clear in a word or behavior. Mahatma Gandhi used to impart the quality to his students while he worked as a teacher at Tolstoy Farm in Africa. Every notable and respectable person has the foundation of being polite in his or her life. Teachers are the pillars for the polite turning of life of students. So the classroom is regarded as the shrine where divinity in the form of polite nature appears. So, keeping this in view, each and every one of our human race should cultivate polite manners to justify our living. Otherwise, no difference is found between human and non-human creatures.